Hi everyone! Welcome to Wendy Makes Sense. Good morning, Georgia. Hello, Philippines. This is a healthier version of champorado. So, healthier version siya of champorado breakfast. Ang recipe po nito ay 2 cups of oats. Yung mga 1-minute oats lang. Yung pwede mong i-microwave. Tapos po, 1 cup or 2 cups din ng chia seed. Tapos 3 cups of oat milk. Tapos ang inyong cocoa powder. So, yung cocoa powder, tansyahin nyo na lang. Siguro mga 1 to 2 tablespoon. Tapos, ilagay mo sa container. Tapos, ilagay nyo sa fridge overnight. Tapos, kinabukasan, ito na po yung itsura niya, yung consistency niya. Para talaga siyang champorado. And then, what you can do, pagka kulang ang liquid, lagyan nyo lang ng milk or kahit oat milk. Kahit hindi oat milk, kaya lang kasi ito yung healthier version. So, kung walang problema yung sugar ninyo, you can use real sugar. Kung meron ka namang, kung nagpa-fluctuate na at mataas na ang ating sugar, maggamit na lang tayo ng 0-calorie sugar. Okay? Yan lang po. Sana matry nyo to. Ang sarap po nito. Shoutout sa aking my favorite sister. Yeah, yun. Thank you for giving me this recipe. Bye-bye. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye. Try this. It's really good.